Well, it's a rainy day and got most of my stuff done this morning. And there was one project that I've been meaning to do. So while I was around town, I stopped in Lowe's and picked up something. Let me show you. So over here, a little dark in here, but is a vinyl rubber stair strip. Get it out here where you can see it. That's it. Guess what we're going to do with this? That's coming next. So I'm in the kitchen here, and a lot of people have granite and stone farm sinks. Regardless, the sinks are typically inset underneath the stone. One of the biggest problems that you have, however, is that you can pick up damage along this edge from just simply loading pots in and pans. I saw that early on when we first got this sink installed. And I was like, we've got to do something to fix that. And I came up with an idea. I'm getting ready to show you a $5 fix that looks good, lasts, and it's cheap to replace if it starts to lose its shape. This will be the second one that I've put on here. The first one lasted about 3 years. So pretty good for a $6 item. What do? You take that vinyl stair tread that I was talking about. I'm going to do everything one-handed here. The lip of the stair tread is out here, and it covers your edge real well. Okay? Now, a lot of people say, well, I'll just do that and drape it in. Well, there's still one thing you want to do. You want to shape this to where it fits the sink. How do we do that? Heat gun. Good old cheap Harbor Freight Warrior heat gun. We'll heat this edge up, and as we heat it up, we will press it with our hands and shape it in the shape of the sink. So since I've only got one hand, I'm going to go ahead and stop it here, and I'll come back on after I finish doing it. It doesn't take but a minute or two. You don't keep the heat gun in one place. You keep it moving and heat the whole piece up. Then what you'll do is shape it with your hands in the shape. You'll help that crease form, and then blow on it, whatever, but you want the plastic to cool and retain its shape. So let me show you what it does. And what's nice about this, it drapes over the edge. You don't do any trimming, any cutting. It looks good on the edge of the sink, and especially after I put the heat gun to it. So let's get that started. I decided to go ahead and show you what I'm doing here. I'm just sitting here with the heat gun and heating the edge of this vinyl stair step up, keeping it moving. And as I heat it, it relaxes and it starts to take the shape of the sink. Don't keep it in one place, that way you won't burn it or melt it. But what you're doing is heating this up and getting it to conform to the edge of the sink. Let me keep going here and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Now, what I've done to help the crease, I've actually back folded it on itself once I got that line established up here. And I just keep pressing it down while it's cooling to help form that crease that will lip over the sink through here, okay? So you can just keep manipulating this by hand as the rubber cools. Rubber and vinyl will absorb heat, but it will not dissipate very quick. At the same time, you can also burn yourself with it. It's a slow, all of a sudden, ow, I got burnt. So be very careful when you're doing this. All right, so there you go. She hangs straight down in the back, protects the inside, Sits on top. Looks good across the front. And the nice thing is you can pick this up and clean it. Take it completely away if you want to for whatever reason. We leave ours there all the time. But it absolutely looks like it belongs. Hopefully it helps you guys. And by the way, share this with everybody that's got a sink like this that you know. Because I bet I don't get any money off this. Don't really care. But I'll bet this will go viral. Like I said, vinyl stair strip from Lowe's or Home Depot. Any of your hardware stores should carry it. But it's just a vinyl, like used on wooden stairs. All right. Hope this helps everybody.